What in the world? Squirrels and smooching? What are we going to find in this video? Stay tuned and you'll see what I mean. Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a box labeled Foozies. Okay, I guess we're going to see what's in that. And we have a giant box and another giant box. So we're going to be opening all three of these in this video. And what in the world are Foozies? All right, so we're going to start with the large boxes. These are both 888 lots boxes. This is from a wholesaler that I ordered from, and so we're going to see the really fun, funky, interesting things that are inside this box, all right? We're going to open this large one and this large one. These are both brand new items from 888 lots. We order them per item. It's not a mixture box. Now, tomorrow we're going to be opening a mixture box from 888 lots. So if you guys love those, make sure you tune in tomorrow. We'll definitely have one of those available for you, but we're going to see what's in here. Huh. Ooh, that's cool. Now, something you may not know, Paul does all the ordering. And so literally when I open a box, I have no idea what's inside because he does all the ordering and it's always a surprise to me. So he did good on this one because look at that. It's blue. Here, let me do this so you can see it really well. Man, if I didn't already have pots and pans, I'd have kept that for myself because it's like perfectly matching with my dishes, but I have way too many pots and pans in my shelf right now. But if you want this new set, it comes with a saucepan, a 1.5 saucepan, a 3-quart saucepan, a 2.5 stock pot, 5.3 quart covered saute pan, an 8-inch skillet, and a 10-inch skillet. Perfect. And it's got that speckled blue. This is awesome. Paul did a great job, didn't he?
You good to price at the end?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're going to price everything in the end. So this will be available on Hooked on Pickin, and we'll price everything at the end. So if you see stuff you like, ooh, more of my little retro-looking toasters. I just think these look like retro 1950s toasters. So we've got these already on Hooked on Pickin, but now we have another one in stock because they have been selling really well. So if you want this one, snatch it up. It does have the wide slots for bagels, and that was it because the boxes were so big. Alrighty, that's not what I expected to see in that box, but I'm glad. All right, Foozies, not yet. All right, we're gonna get in this giant one. I'm gonna put it over here, and I'm gonna hide behind it. Oh wait, I'm back. All right. I need to be taller, Paul. Help me grow. Okay. Okay, this is what I thought might have been in here because we have opened up a few of these before, but I'm gonna have to slide it on its side, which I'm glad I moved it over to this side of the table so I can kind of just tip it over. There. Woo! Some hard work doing this unboxing. This is an air fryer. So it shows, here's a picture of it. It's completely black. It's a really large size one. It's a 5.8 quart air fryer. I use mine all the time. I actually just sauteed mushrooms in mine the other day. And so that's super nice and awesome. And we have some padding in here. All right, then we have, what is this? Oh, okay, so we opened a box of these in one of our other unboxings, and one of the cute little mason jars was broken, but I'm really hoping these are all gonna be fine. Oh, look at them. See, you can make them salt and pepper shaker or spices, anything. Crafters. You could use those little mason jars. I'm going to leave this out. Let's see. They are all good. Super excited. Nice. All right. So I'm just going to leave this out so we know what it looks like. So when we price it at the end, you'll know, okay, it's these, but 6 of them. So we'll sell them in a 6-pack just like this. I'm going to move this air fryer over here. And then I'm going to pull out, ooh, we got some more toasters. Right here. And then we have another air fryer. Ta-da! So we have another air fryer. So that's going to be awesome. If you've ever bought one of these air fryers, they're usually around $80 or $90, and I think we have them at like, I think half that.
Yeah, $49.99.
$49.99 on Hooked on Pickin. And so if you're looking for a huge family size air fryer, now the bonus is, see how big this box is? The air fryer is not that huge. It's a typical air fryer size. So whether you get like the 2-quart one or the 5.8 quart, they really are not that much difference in size. Just the big pan is bigger, so you can air fry more food. So you got that one and this one and these toasters. So we're gonna label all that. Now I'm so excited about this box because it just looks so fun. Doesn't it look fun? Foozies. All right. What is in the Foozies box? The box is looking at us, and it's happily looking at us. I'm trying to find the seam. There we go. All right. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Fun socks. They're amazing. So these are, okay, so let's just move the box over. These are hot tamale socks. So you got the yellow with the red and the black with the red. And they're the typical size. So like 4 to 10, I think, is the size.
Yeah, I think it said 4 to 11.
4 to 11, okay.
Size.
Yeah.
Yep.
So I'm going to pull one out just so you see kind of, they are crew socks. So get this open. So all of the socks are the same. So they are crew, so they're going to be, crew length. So there's the top of it, and then here's like the heel with the sock part. So, and they're brand new. So you got some hot tamale socks. And then if you're not having a happy day, you can get yourself some crabby socks. No, those are crabs and lobsters. I thought they were both crabs. Crabs and lobsters. So if you like yourself some seafood or you're going to the ocean, you need some crab and lobster socks. And those of you who have kids going to school, they always have a crazy sock day.
Oh, yeah.
So there you go. You got some crazy socks.
Oh, they'd be good stocking stuffers for fourth quarter.
Oh, yeah. These would be perfect stocking stuffers. And then we have, my daughter's going to try to steal these. These are music socks. So they have the treble clef on them and the bass clef, and they're basically a music staff. So they've got pink. If your girls love pink, if they're not a pink fan, or if you have a guy that's in music, they may want to do some music socks, because these would definitely fit guys too if they want to do the funky sock thing.
They're adult socks.
They're adult size socks. Yep.
They're not kids socks.
They're not kids. Yep. So they would all fit me or Paul.
Our kids are teenagers, so they wear our socks. So.
Yes, our kids are teenagers. So the music ones are really cool. And wait, squirrel.
For when you're feeling squirrely.
When you're feeling squirrely.
Must be good for fall.
It would be good for fall. Yep. I love those. Those are so fun.
I knew a teacher that would have a different kind of socks on every day.
Different socks for each kind of. Oh, and then at Christmas time, for your loved one, here you go.
Christmas time.
Yeah, buy them for the Christmas stockings.
Yep.
For the love of your life. Kiss and smoochies. So aren't those fun? Smooch kiss.
Awesome.
Yep. I was like, why does it say mooch? And then I realized that. So I guess
for mooch socks.
They're mooching off of someone. So they must be folded or something, because I was like, mooch? Are they stealing all your money? Tigers, which is perfect if you have a theme of tigers, like if you love a tiger sports team, or if your school is tigers, or if you just flat love animal socks. We've got just about every animal. You got sea creatures, you've got the squirrels, and then you've got tigers. So you've got just about anything you want.
Yeah, this a tiger is like one of the #1 mascots for schools. So I thought, hey,
I bet it would work.
So.
That's awesome. All right. Then, of course, you know our obsession. We have a little bit of an obsession with dinosaurs here on Hooked on Pickin. I don't know why, but everybody loves dinosaurs. So you need to buy the dinosaur socks, as well as the dinosaur squishies. This is a T-Rex. Aren't those fun? So anyway, we've been selling a ton of these dinosaur squishies. I probably should not have announced those because we sell out of them so fast. We do have them on order to get some more, but yeah, so dinosaur socks are always a hit. And what else we got? And then, of course, at the end, you can't forget Jesus. Because we always remember Jesus on this channel. So you got some I Love Jesus socks. So.
I thought these are cool.
Yeah, I love those. I bet our drummer would wear those.
Oh, yeah.
He would. He likes to wear crazy socks. He actually doesn't wear shoes when he drums. And so he has these socks that look like tennis shoes. They're amazing. So fun socks, they're all going to be available on Hooked on Pickin. So we're going to go ahead and price all the items that we just unboxed, and we'll come right back. All right, we've got everything priced. So we have all our fun novelty socks. So they'll be under a listing called Foozie's Novelty Socks. And you can pick your style and your color and all that. $5.99 a pair. So that's actually a really good price on novelty socks. If you've gone online and checked novelty socks, they're usually about double that. So $5.99 a pair for our fun novelty socks. If you have a specific theme you want us to get, we can look and see if we can find that. So if you like wolves or you like some other kind of animal, let us know. All right, and then we have our fun toasters. Our toasters are on hookedonpickin.com. You can find all this on hookedonpickin.com. $14.99 for that. And then we have our mason jars, our 6-pack of mason jars, $7.99 for the fun 6-pack of cute little mason jars with a handle. And then we have our Cook Smart 10-piece set, blue in color. It's actually online for $129. So we're like, you know what? We're going to give a good deal, $64.99. It is brand new and complete. And so $64.99 right on Hooked on Pickin there. And then last but not least, we have our air fryers for $49.99 for the 5.8 quart air fryer. So that's about half price than what you would pay for a typical air fryer of that style. So go to hookedonpickin.com. You can find all of these things. And hopefully you had fun watching the unboxing and enjoying the entertainment. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're a subscriber. Just so you know, on hookedonpickin.com, if you buy over $100 worth of stuff, you can get free shipping if you live inside the United States. Christmas is coming up, and remember last year, it was hard to get packages in time. So I would suggest start that Christmas shopping now. We've got fun things on the store, as you saw in this unboxing, as well as many other things. Check out our Pickin's mystery boxes. That's always a fun thing to get some stocking stuffers and some just unique items at a super steep discount. So go to hookedonpickin.com, order more than $100 worth of stuff, get that free shipping.